Hi everyone, welcome to my quick guide on how to get free access to the Plenty of Fish app. Okay, this access and this app you can see on my iPhone will give you an account upgrade, free tokens and credits to use on the app. Okay, so online dating is quite popular at the minute, but it can be quite expensive. So I'm going to guide you through the process. For the iPhone, you can do this as well on your Android, but this guide just covers the iPhone. So a couple of settings we need to check first. So if you go into your settings, you scroll down to General, and then into Background App Refresh. So we click into that. Just make sure that Wi-Fi and mobile data is ticked. You can see it's done on my phone. If you're in the States, it'll be Wi-Fi and cellular data, but as long as it's checked, that's fine. So we'll click back. And the second setting we need to check is your battery. So just make sure again that low power mode on your battery is switched off. That's very important. Okay, so we'll come out of the settings. Now we can show you how to install the modded app. And once it's installed, you just use your regular account settings to log in. So if you open up Safari and then go to the following website, it's getmods.cc. Okay, and then we're going to click on Go. Okay, so we're looking for Plenty of Fishes right at the top. So if you can't see it on your list, just click on Search and then search for Plenty of Fish, but ours is at the top, so we'll click on it and then we click to start the injection process. Now this process just takes a few seconds to do, but there is a requirement for you to install 2 free apps as part of the process. Now there's a range of apps available, some games, some other applications. You can pick the ones you want and you can keep them or you can delete them as long as you fully install them. That's what's required for the process to work. Okay, we're nearly finished. So there you can see we got the Plenty of Fish app and the instruction to install the 2 free apps, as I said. So there's a range of them here, so some games and some other applications. I'm just going to install the top one. So you click on free, you get started. It'll redirect you to the App Store and then you simply download. Now it's important that you fully download the app. Okay, we're not going to open that, we don't need it. As part of the process, we just go back into Safari. And then we have to do our second app, so I'm just going to pick the second one from the list, click on free again, get started. Same process as before to go to the App Store and we'll download this free prints. Now sometimes if it doesn't work with installing 2 free apps, you can just install another one from the list, go back into Safari, install another one. Okay, that's that process finished. Okay, so the next stage is just go back into the Get Mods and it'll prompt you to install the modded Plenty of Fish app. You can see I've already got it there. So thanks, hopefully that's helpful, and please consider subscribing or liking this video. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.